going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. As you can see, I'm back. Limited, but back. PT told me I can get back to doing some light cooking now that I'm a month and a half post-surgery. Sorry I had to duck out on y'all. When I did, I just could not get to cooking anymore. Just the shoulder had no strength to cut through anything, to hold up any pots and pans. Y'all don't want to know what I've been eating, really. But I haven't really gained any weight. I've been maintaining. So, that's a good sign. But we're going to get back to cooking. I'm going to get back to losing some weight. And we're going to get back to making some videos. So, stay tuned to my sponsors and friends of the channel. Thank y'all all for watching and hanging in with me. Thank y'all for checking in on me too. Stay tuned, and we're going to get back to doing what we do.